Today I've got a quick and easy tutorial for you on how to block someone on TikTok. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. So go to your Play Store or App Store and hit update if there's an update available. Then go ahead and open up the TikTok app. Next thing that you want to do is locate the profile of the user that you want to block. So you can do this by type in their username in the search bar or just by going to your followers or following list. Then tap on the user's profile picture. Once you tap on the profile picture, then you'll notice an arrow in the top right hand corner which looks like a share button, but once you tap on that, there's an option to block this user, and all you have to do is tap on the block button and that is it. You've successfully blocked that user on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.